Hi, I'm Greg from Jimmy Joom. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the newly updated Suka game that you can play with your chat. So if you don't know the game, basically you drop fruit and you try to get them to touch fruit of the same kind, and if they do, they evolve into the next fruit, a bigger fruit, all the way to the melon. Right now, you see Jimmy Joom AI is playing. That's a computer. There's no one entered into the game. I did that because I didn't want the game to ever stop, if that makes sense. I didn't want anyone to be able to hold up the game. It plays by itself if no one's playing. But let's join in. So I'm gonna type in the join command, which by default is ! Join. All right, got a little notification that I joined, and now it's my turn. So I type in a number from 0. 0 is all the way to the left. 100 is all the way to the right. And yeah, you get the idea. So I want to hit this strawberry right here. So I'm going to type in probably 65, let's say. Perfect. 65 again. Put that over at 100. Okay. And this white bar right here, this is the shot clock. It's basically the time that you have to make a move. Alright, so we'll put it right there. Well, I'll let this one go down so you see what happens. If I don't make a move in the time, it's gonna pick a random number and it's gonna play for me. Again, I want the game to keep going. I don't want any one person to be able to bring the game to a halt. All right, and if you see, so now I have half the time that I did before. So if you don't make a move, it cuts your shot clock in half. All right, and that's to speed up the game. You're now an inactive player, and it's meant to speed up the game. One thing many people have been asking for is a leave command, and I added it. Many people asked for it. So, right now it's my turn. It's Gerg Animation's turn. I type in the leave command, which is by default ! Leave. There we go. The turn resets, and it's now Jimmy Joom AI's turn. And I've been removed from the rotation, so it's just Jimmy Joom AI because there's no one else in the chat. No one else is playing. There's also a kick command. So first of all, we're gonna add this test person. So right now that's test bruh. And then I'm also gonna join. Okay, so now I'm the broadcaster. This is for broadcasters or mods. You can type in kick, ! Kick. And now test bra is gone, and it's just Gerg Animation. Let's go 80. Okay. Now again, if I want to leave, there, back to nobody, works well. You can only leave if it's your turn. So if it was the test turn and I typed in leave, it wouldn't work. You can only leave when it's your turn, and the kick command is only for mods and the streamer. Okay, so that's some new stuff. The leave command, the kick command. Also, we have a new theme. Well, first, I'm gonna show you the Christmas theme. This was the original theme. This is the first one that started it. All right, there we go. It's not Christmas anymore. We have a new Valentine's Day theme. There it is right there. Plays the same as before. Everything's the same, just different art. Same idea. And another one is a custom theme. So we type custom theme, and then we go down here in the settings to custom theme. These are the pieces. You have to put in 11 pieces. All right, they're just placeholder circles for right now so you get the idea. And for the dropper character, the placeholder is the greatest actor of all time. You can also enter a background. That's what I did there. And you can choose accent colors. So accent color number 1 is for this box here. Accent color number 2 is for this box here. Accent color number 3, I think doesn't do anything. I forget. You have to let me know. Text color is for the text here. If you want to update, so if you want to create your own custom one, what you would do is I'm gonna give you somewhere in the download, there will be a Procreate file and a Photoshop file and just a PNG. Basically, the size is 250 by 250, and you would take this. That's just a little template of how big the circle has to be. So you would make the circle, whatever you're drawing, make it that size for every single one. All right, all circles are the same size. The program will handle the size of the ball and the different things. So somewhere in the download, if you want to draw your own, do it over this. And then place your pieces that you've made, place them here, all 11, and the dropper character, I think it's the same. I think it's 250 by 250. It's a square. For the dropper character, just add some square image. 250 by 250 will work perfectly. So this debug button down here, that was for me. You can use it too if you want. It makes a random person join. And that's just so I could test the kick command and all that. Let's get you out. That is not all. Hold on 1 second. We have the light version of the game. Oh, by the way, if this is your first time seeing this game, so you can customize the sound effect volume. You can customize the shot clock, how long everyone has to take a turn. I recommend something around 20 seconds because there's a delay. You can change the pre-game clock. So this clock right here, you can make it 5 seconds, you can make it 2 minutes, up to you. The light version is basically the same as the full version. I've moved, from the last version, I moved the player, so the player whose turn it is up here now. I made it a little bit bigger, changed the animation, put it behind, and down here is next piece. Right here is the score, but everything else is the same. For all the themes, you get to choose the color of this board and this text. So this is the custom one, but let's go to Valentine's Day. Yeah, so you get to choose whatever you want it to be. Let's make it a dark purple. Okay. And same idea. Everything's the same. Settings are the same. Leave, kick, custom theme, same idea. That's about it. There's probably some bugs. It's getting complicated, so it's hard for me to test every single scenario that might cause a bug. So if you have this game and you run into a problem, just let me know. I'll fix it very quickly. Let me know. And also, let me know ways that I could improve the game. I know some people have asked for the light version and the full version to connect, so you could have like a waiting screen, full screen, and then when you come back, it slides down into the corner. That's possible. I think I could do that. But one thing I really want to do is leaderboards. So I want to make the game over screen. I want to have stats for everybody that participated, who scored the most points. I want to have a leaderboard of each streamer, so the streamers, their chats can compete against each other, have kind of a connected leaderboard with everyone who uses the widget. Yeah, stuff like that. But anything you think of that would improve this game at all, let me know either in the comments if you have it or on Etsy. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.